Now let's look at how to answer yes or no questions. We usually use the simple way to answer it to express yes or no. For example, you want to say, do you want this top? 你要这件衣服吗？你要这件衣服吗？你 means you. 要 means want. 这 means this. 件 is the classifier or the measure words. 衣服 it means the clothes or top. 吗 is the question particle we put at the end of the sentence. So your answer is no, thank you. You say 不要，谢谢。不 here means no. 要 means won't. 谢谢 means thank you. You can also answer yes or okay. And you can say 好的 or 要。好的 means okay. 好的 is a very common and useful expression we use in Chinese to answer yes or no question. For example, they're asking, do you like, do you want, or do you need? You can always use 好的 to reply and express yes. And if you want to say, do you speak Chinese? 你会说中文吗？你 means you, 会 means can, 说 means speak, 中文 means Chinese, 吗 is the question particle we put at the end of the sentence. And your answer is can't. 不会 This is a simple answer. Or 会 means can.